Hello everybody, you're here with the person, and welcome back to the channel. I've got a lot of candy, too much candy. So, all of this is mine, right? But that's not really the issue. Let me just move the stuff that's good to the side. And those things haven't expired yet. But these things have. And when I say they've expired, I mean they've expired. Today is the 19th of July, 2021. And this stuff here expired this year. This stuff expired last year. This stuff expired 2019, 2018, and 2017. And it's open. So we're just gonna move the stuff that expired this year to the side because it's candy, so it'll stay fine for a while. Okay, so this stuff here has got no expiry date, so I've got no idea when it expired, but this one's actually a funny story, right? I think I got this about 3 years ago or something during Christmas. And pretty much, it was like one of those big boxes of 26 minis Tic Tacs. And I wasn't able to finish all of them, so I just put the leftovers in this little box here. So let's see how they taste now. Okay, it started off fine. One of them was soft. Tic Tacs are not supposed to be soft. But then it ended with the sour, disgusting taste. Yeah. Now, milk bottles are my favorite, so hopefully this doesn't ruin it for me. Yeah, they're a little bit stale, but you know, they're alright, they're fun. The raisins taste completely normal. That's boring. Oh god. It's all smushy and crummy. Well, it tastes like this chocolate is freaking separated. Ew. Some of it's creamy, some of it's hard. Ew, that's disgusting. Now, I remember opening one of these earlier, and they were all like melted together, although I haven't touched them. Oh, that doesn't look good. The yellow one has actually got green dots on it. That looks nice. And these are supposed to be hard. But I can squish them. Oh, one of them was hard. Okay. Why is that one hard? Oh my god, these things are supposed to be sour. They're called sour bombs. They taste sweet. Oh wow. Yeah, that's not enjoyable. That's a lot of chocolate. Hopefully it's fine. Open. It turns into like powder in my mouth. It tastes like cocoa powder that's been just smooshed together. And then when you chew it, it just separates. Alright, now we move on to the stuff that expired 2019. They're both closed, so I'm hoping they're fine. Oh no. This is supposed to be an R. It's moving. Oh god, it's been broken. It's I guess it's puzzle time then. Yeah, I fixed it. Yeah, it tastes completely fine. Probably because it's been sealed up. So this is actually a Dutch candy. They're called Paper Nota. Paper Nota. And pretty much they're hard things that when you pop them into your mouth, they crunch. They're completely fine. This is a dropje, and it's pretty much a Dutch candy that's quite salty, actually, can be, if you get certain types. Yup. Oh my god. That was bad. All the salt is gone. It pretty much just becomes mush as soon as you put it in your mouth. Oh my god. I'm gonna need some water. Okay. Oh, no, still there. There's still a piece in my mouth. Ugh. Oh, so this stuff actually expired in 2018. Okay, no wonder it's getting bad. My god, can you just open, goddammit? There we go. Okay, something is wrong here. There are several cracks in it. Going all the way through. But it stayed together. That little crumbs and shit. There's like no flavor. It's not even sweet. It just tastes like bubblegum, but hard. Like a bland bubblegum. There's no flavor. And it's a lollipop. But it's like one of those... You can definitely tell it's old, because it's a chewy lollipop. You know how when lollipops get old, it gets chewy? This is really chewy. I'm trying to find a good way to explain it, but there's literally no words for it. It's just hard, but then when you're chewing it, it doesn't crack. It just goes soft and then turns into practically bubblegum. Once again, I've got a Dutch chocolate here. Apparently it's already been opened. Well, that's not so good. And it's broken. Oh my god, it literally looks like mashed together cocoa powder. It looks like there's freaking dust on it. I'm gonna eat this. It looks like there's literally dust on it. Bon appetit. Oh, that is horrible. Oh my god. Okay, you're going straight in the bin. Now, I am not ready for this one, because this one expired in 2017. The 25th of the 5th, 2017. That's 4 years and 2 months ago. This expired. And it's open. I don't know what brand this is, but it's like an Oreo, sort of. Well, here goes nothing. Oh my god. Oh damn. Get out of here. Oh, that's disgusting. Damn. I'm out of water. I think there's a lesson to be learned here, guys. Don't eat expired candy, and if you're given candy, eat it immediately. Please subscribe, it'll help me pay my hospital bills after this. Thank you.